Okay, so this is Mrs. Auer making a video for Mrs. Farkash's 6th grade math class. I'm going to show you how to get online to view the textbook and all the things that the textbook has to offer. First, you go up to your browser and you type in my.hrw.com. And this brings you to the Holt McDougall online website. And here you see your username and password. And so you put in your username that Mrs. Farkash has given you, and you put in the password that she has given you as well. For the purposes, I'm using Mrs. Farkash's. And you log in, and here you can see you have the two different textbooks depending on which level you are taking. You have Course 1 and you have Course 2. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Course 1 just for this sample. And here you can see you have book pages. So if you actually forget your book at home or your book at school, you can still do the homework or review any pages. You have student resources right here where it can help you with Are You Ready? It can go over estimating numbers or exponents, and it goes right through the lesson. So let's say you wanted to review order of operations. It has homework help right here. It has an interactive practice quiz that you could take. And it lets you know. I'm going to go ahead and just put an answer in. It'll tell us if we get it right or not. We'll go all the way through, maybe. And it'll let us know how many we got right. And it lets you know when you miss any at the end, and it will review it with you. Okay, so I'm going to say score my quiz. And I got 4 of them wrong, and it's going to tell you how to do it. So that gives you an example of the type things that are here. And you also have the homework help, which is extremely helpful, where it walks you through the actual homework. If you need help on something, you can watch a video on it.
Sometimes actually just giving an estimate is really useful when you're actually trying to do things in practice. Let's take a look at this example. So Ms. Escobar is planning a graduation celebration for the entire 7th grade. All right? There are 8 7th grade homeroom classes of 29 students in each. What we want to do is estimate how many cups Ms. Escobar needs to buy for the students if they all attend.
So that gives you an example of the videos that are available, and look at all these videos that are available just for this one homework, all the way down. And it also tells you how to solve something. So really, all the resources that this has are available for you. And then if we look down here, we actually have extra practice as well as an interactive practice test. So as you get near the unit test, you actually have a practice test you can take online right here. So all of this is available. If we go to the videos, we have all the lesson tutorials, we have interactives, and then we go to all of these things. There are different tools that can help you understand even further. So this is a great resource. By the way, this teacher resource, because I'm logged on as Mrs. Farkash, I get to see the teacher resources. I don't believe the student one has this. So there you go. Easy way to be able to enrich your math study. Easy way to review anything that you didn't understand in class, or even if you miss a day. So be sure to use this, a Holt Online Learning Center. It's great.